Hey guys, it's Black Joseph from ONN TV Hacks. In this video, I'll show you how to install XCIPTV Player on your ONN streaming device using two simple methods. For anyone unfamiliar with the app, XCIPTV is only an IPTV media player. To use it, you'll need to connect your own compatible IPTV subscription using the login details provided by your service provider. Before we begin, it's worth mentioning that XCIPTV Player is officially available on the Google Play Store and currently has more than 10 million downloads. And because it is in the Google Play Store, we can be sure that this application is 100% legal to install and use on our device. With that out of the way, let's begin with the easiest installation method. From the ONN TV home screen, navigate to the Apps section and select the search option. Now type in XCIPTV Player. After entering the first few letters, the application should appear in the search results. Select the correct XCIPTV Player application from the list, and then click Install. The app will now begin downloading and installing on your ONN device, which should only take a few moments depending on your internet connection. While the app is installing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ONN TV Hacks for more helpful tutorials. You can also return to the ONN TV home screen, open the Apps menu, and find XCIPTV Player in your list of installed applications. And that is the easiest way to install XCIPTV Player directly from the Google Play Store. However, the app may not appear in the Play Store on every ONN device or in every region. If XCIPTV Player is unavailable, you can still install it by sideloading the APK file using the Downloader app. To begin, return to the ONN TV home screen. The first step is to head over to the menu at the top using your remote and select the settings icon all the way to the right. Now, this is where you can change all your device settings. Scroll down to System and select About from the list. Next, scroll all the way down to Android TV OS Build. This part is important, so pay attention. Click this option 7 times continuously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once you see the message, you are already a developer. That means developer mode has been successfully enabled. Press the Home button once. Now we need to install an app called Downloader. This is where you'll install all your favorite apps. Go to the menu at the top and select Apps. If Downloader appears in the suggestions, great. If not, use the search bar and type Downloader, or use your voice command to find it. From the list of Downloader apps, select the orange one at the top. Click Install, and in a few minutes, it will be ready. While it's downloading, take a moment to hit subscribe. It'll barely take a second. Once installed, open the Downloader app. The first time you launch it, accept all the necessary permissions. Click on the hashtag icon and then type this code, 85333602. This code will redirect you to my ONN TV Hacks downloader page, where all the apps are neatly organized and ready to install. To find XCIPTV Player, select the IPTV Media Players category and scroll down. There is the XCIPTV Player app. To install it, simply click on the app and wait for the download to begin automatically. Most apps on our Downloads page start downloading automatically. However, if the download does not begin, click the download icon to start it manually. Once the download is complete, click Install and wait for the installation process to finish. Now click Done. Next, select Delete to remove the APK installation file. Do not worry. This is only the installer file, and deleting it will not remove the XCIPTV Player app you just installed. Now press the Home button on your remote. Before opening XCIPTV Player, make sure you are connected to a VPN, especially when using third-party apps or IPTV services. A VPN helps protect your online activity and prevents your internet provider from monitoring your streaming traffic. If you do not already have a VPN, you can use the discounted link provided in the video description. Now return to the Apps menu and scroll to the end of your installed apps. There is the XCIPTV Player app. Select it to launch the player. I hope you found this video helpful. Since the channel is still new, make sure to smash that subscribe button for more ONN TV streaming tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.